Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.2, Problem 14. This is Section 3.2, Problem 14. It says put the decimals in order from smallest to largest, and we have 2.36, 2.055, and 2.1973. So we want to write those in order from smallest to largest. We want to determine the smallest one of those numbers first. So as we look at them, if it's not completely obvious which one is the smallest, what you want to do is start with the leftmost position, make a comparison. If there's a tie, move one position to the right, make a comparison there, and continue in that manner. So the leftmost digit for all three is a 2. So we have a tie, so that doesn't tell us anything. So move over one digit to the right. Now I have some differences. One of the numbers has a 3, another has a 0, and another has a 1. Now I want the smallest number to be written first for the list, and 0 is smaller than 3 or 1. So the number with the 0, the 2.055, is the smallest number from this list. So as I put them in order, I'll write that one first. And now that I've determined it's the smallest, I can just cross it off. I don't need to consider it anymore. I know where it goes in the list. So now I'm going to determine which is smaller, 2.36 or 2.1973. So again, the leftmost digit has a tie. They're both a 2. But now as I move in one digit to the right, I have a 3 and a 1. Well, 1 is certainly smaller than 3. So the number that has the 1 in it, the 2.1973, is the next number in my list. So I'll put that as my middle number, 2.1973. And now I'm done with that one. And there's only one left, which would be the last one, the biggest one, 2.36. So for this problem, the numbers in order are first, the smallest is 2.055. The middle value would be 2.1973. And the largest value in the list would be 2.36.